Hey YouTube, Dan of All Things here. We've come around to the Halls Crossing Marina. Marina's just over here. They've moved the fuel from dangling rope around to the outside, but it's still not open for fueling. Maybe they're prepping it to be so, but back here in the little pocket, they do have a pump out now that is supposed to be working and functional here at Halls this season. So you still got to go to Bullfrog for fuel, but you could pump out here. And the launch ramp here at Halls has got a dock and a ramp and is open and usable. So, and water going up from here. So Halls ramp open and functional, as well as Bullfrog Spur and the north ramp. We'll go over there and get some better videos too. Like and subscribe for more updates on the lake.